In online business, there's always going to be moments where you want to give up. There's going to be moments where you feel like all the work that you're putting in is not paying off. You look at other people that are really doing well and you think, gosh, I'm doing all the right things. I'm uploading videos, I'm making more podcast episodes, I made a product or I'm working on it, and nothing seems to be working. I want to talk in this video about patience and perseverance. These are two incredibly important skills and assets in your online business that if you have patience, if you can trust the process and wait in a way that's intentional while you're persevering and continuing to put in the work, it can work magnificently in your favor. If you're struggling or discouraged at all, I'm hoping this video will be a massive encouragement to you. This is day 58 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. And if you're thinking about jumping on Kajabi, then use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial, 30 days to try it out, see if you like it, see if it's the best fit for you. You're also gonna get a 45-minute Zoom call with me. We'll talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on the platform. And I'm also gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I want to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it. So if you appreciate what we do on this channel and you're gonna jump on a Kajabi anyway, then I would appreciate it so much if you use my link. Let's talk first about the fact that if you're discouraged because you haven't been putting in the work, or you've been putting off things that you know you need to do, or maybe you have kind of halfway given up in your mind and you just kind of have one foot out the door of your online business. If that's the case, then the fix really is to kind of get back on the saddle and get back to work, which I know is way easier said than done, but it's something that you just cannot underestimate the power of showing up consistently and putting in the work and doing the things that you know are going to eventually pay off. So if you're not doing that, my suggestion would be to find the kind of motivation that you need to jump back into the game. Whether that is to simplify what you're doing. So if you were trying to do 7 or 8 pieces of content a week or something crazy like that, like what I'm doing right now, maybe scale that back to 1 and just tell yourself, I have to show up every Tuesday and do a piece of content no matter what. That's my rule, and then stick to it. And if you have a list a mile long of things that you know you need to get to, oh, I need to build out that pipeline on Kajabi. Oh, I need to make that lead magnet. Oh, I've got to start making content about this topic because everybody's talking about it. I got to do this, got to do that. Make a list and start working your way through it. And if you do those things, then the biggest piece of advice that I have for you is to trust the process. Once you're doing this, you're back to work, you're consistently putting out content, and you're working your way through this list of things that you know you need to do and building the pieces of your business over time. There is a concept that is life-changing for online business owners, really any business owners, but especially those of us online, and this is the principle of inevitability. This is the idea that if you do a certain set of inputs, you're putting out content, you've got a lead magnet in place, you've got a really good welcome sequence, and you've got a great product, and you continue to show up, it is inevitable that people are going to see your content. There's going to be a percentage of those people who take you up on your lead magnet. There's going to be a percentage of those people who, when they go through your welcome sequence, are going to buy your course. And then those people are going to cycle back through and buy the next course. And while this is happening, there's going to be more people who see your content and come through this cycle again. And it becomes an inevitability that your business will grow, that you will make money, that there is going to be a payoff coming for all the work that you're putting in right now. When you're just starting out, this is very hard to see, and it's even harder to believe because you don't really have much proof to go on, because if it hasn't worked yet, then why would it? But all it takes is perseverance and patience. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other, and what eventually happens is you start to realize, oh my gosh, it's working. People are buying my course. People are coming through and watching my content. People are subscribing. People are getting my lead magnet. I'm getting feedback. They're liking it. People are wanting more. It is an inevitable outcome if you do the right actions in the right order. You don't even have to get it perfect. You just have to be consistent and show up, and inevitably your business will grow. So I hope this is an encouragement to you, because not only have I been there where I've been discouraged, but this is something that every entrepreneur cycles through. Something will work for a while and then you feel like, okay, what I was doing before isn't working now. What do I do now? And what I have found is that it is inevitable if I continue to show up and I continue to do the right actions and I continue to serve my audience, I will be rewarded. It just is going to happen. This is one of the reasons why I love online business, and it's one of the reasons why I love tools that simplify it, like Kajabi, which is, in my opinion, what has helped me kind of get over that barrier and get to the other side and say, this is simpler and easier than I thought to do the things that I need to do to ensure that my business grows. And I want the same thing for you. At this point, you can try out Kajabi using my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos in the series. And let me know in the comments what questions you have so I can answer them in future videos. At this point, you can check out this playlist right here where we'll go even more in depth into Kajabi and answer any questions that you might have. So click right here on this playlist and I'll see you in there and we'll talk more about Kajabi.